How to fix Roblox Error Code 49 on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to fix such issue, then first thing what you might need to consider is for your mobile app, if you are facing same issue, try logging in with your mobile data instead of Wi-Fi when you log in the game for the first time. Just remember it's for only login. After that you can switch off to your Wi-Fi. So if you're using on your PC, just try downloading the official Roblox application instead of playing it on your online browser. So once you download it, you can simply sign in with your account, and if that's not working and if you still want to play as a browser, then you might need to come over to any VPN such as Proton VPN, which is a free VPN, and download the VPN for your device, and you can simply sign into your account and start playing Roblox online as well. So it should be fixed just like that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.